Hello friends, today's video we will learn how to make any sound huge and stereo feel. First listen the track. So we made all this last videos. You can check those videos also. Go to playlist and you can see all the videos there. Today we'll see how we can make these sounds effective and more professional. For that is in chord, guitar chord. I have selected stereo delay effect. What it does, listen solo first. It makes your sound delayed. It gives a delay effect. I use 85 or 80 feedback delay. You can put 390 and panning is pan plus 100 and mix 70. So you can hear both sides, middle, right, left. Put it under minus 100 pen. So you will see first left side, then right. First middle, second left, then right. My setting, I kept it plus 100 and little bit panning here, minus 25 on the mixer. Actually this track I am making for my song. You can see this effect on this sound also. If I bypass the effect, you can hear only center, and if I open it, so you can the effect both side. So same effect I put here, single X delay plus stereo delay. Setting you can keep according to your BPM or rhythm. You can hear it. So it's the beginning, and later we will see how we can arrange the tracks on song arranger. This is the unique feature of G-Stomper producer. You can arrange here, edit, arrange everything, make the full track, make the full song here. And if you are watching my videos, friends, please subscribe the channel and share the videos